Welcome back to the Limit Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm here with our project car, the 2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. Now, recently we installed the Goodwin Racing MaxPipe Midpipe. In addition to the midpipe, we also have the Goodwin Racing RoadsterSport SuperStreet exhaust on this car. So the combination of the midpipe and the AxleBack. And we do intend to dyno this to see exactly how much horsepower this combination makes on the ND Mazda Miata. But before we get to that, we're going to run some sound tests. We're going to compare the sound of this setup to our baseline, our totally stock setup, as well as our previous exhaust system, the Greddy Supreme SP. We're going to see exactly how loud it is. We're going to start with a cold start. We're going to take measurements with the RF hardtop up as well as down. We're going to take the car out on the highway. We're going to do some runs, taking the car through the gears at red line, shifting maybe at 4,000 RPMs. So we're going to do several different scenarios to get a feeling of exactly how loud the car is. And that's going to show us our decibels. But in addition to that, you'll be able to hear the tone of the car, and hopefully that will give you some indication whether or not this setup, again, the midpipe along with the AxleBack, is something that you might want to consider purchasing for your ND Mazda Miata. you can hear the exhaust, you can hear the drone, and you can hear the wind coming in as well at this speed. You know, you definitely have drone with the mid-pipe. If you can handle a little bit of drone, fine. I think for me it'll depend on how much horsepower you gain with the combination of the mid-pipe and the AxleBack. As you can see here, I'm just cruising at 50 miles per hour in 5th gear. You can hear that drone. Now I can get out of it by giving it gas up in the RPMs or laying off of it. Now that's shifting into 6. It does tone it down, but as soon as you get up to like 45, 50 miles per hour with the top down, at least in the RF, wind noise becomes definitely deafening. See, I'm in 6th gear cruising at, 50, 55 miles per hour. And when you change your throttle position, you definitely can bring in more drone or less drone. It's loud from the wind, you can hear the exhaust. It doesn't drown out the exhaust totally. Now, regardless of what exhaust you get for the Miata, at least for the RF, when you put that top down, even the windows side windows being up, there is a lot of wind noise. So with the AxleBack, you know what? The wind overpowers the noise of the exhaust, the sound of the exhaust for the AxleBack. But when you put the mid-pipe on, you can still hear the drone of the mid-pipe in the background.